Hey YouTube, it is August the 9th, 2021 at about 11:05 in the morning, and this was the campsite that we spent at last night. I'll show you around a little bit. That from here, that's called Devils Tower right there. So we were that close to it in our campground. We actually just took a hike, so you should have seen that video of that, and hopefully that turns out really nice. When we stayed here last night, it was a really nice spot. That spot there is virtually allowed me to do nothing to level the trailer, so it's been a really good spot. Pretty much just pull in, put the stabilizers down, and get it off the truck, and you're done. And it's been shady here. It was actually pretty hot yesterday. In fact, it was like 96 degrees when we got here. It took it forever to cool down, but last night about 11:30, a huge wind came through, just a little tiny shower, and everything got way better. But I just wanted to show you the spot here and show you all the trees that there are around here. I'm sitting at what be our picnic table. I'll get up and show that to you in a second. That's our fire ring. Now they do have a fire ban right now, so you can't use these. That's why they got those pink things on them. I guess because it's so dry out here. But let me just step it off and step back, and you can see the picnic table there, and you see all the nice little red hills over there. So this here has been the spot. You can see it's just a pull in, pull out. And that's what I did. I pulled in right there. And I will pull out right there. Go around and we get out of here. But again, let me go back by past this picnic table, and you can see Devil's Tower. Pretty good from here. Not bad, huh? It's 20 bucks a night. There are no hookups because this is a national monument. So you get no hookups at all, but it's 20 bucks a night. And like I said, it was very quiet. It was actually quite busy, but quite a few people have left. In fact, we had a rooftop tent camper right there last night, but they're already gone. And checkout time is at noon. We never could find a check-in time, just so you know that. But I just want to get out here, and I'll show you some more of it. There's a bathroom up there if you would happen to need that. But again, you see all this red and then all these trees around through here. It's very nice, and you can see it's quite a bit of shade. And here is the setup. I'll go out here in the road here and get that, so you can see our setup from there. So it's been a nice place to stay. We'll let this guy get by us, and we've truly enjoyed it. So it's been good. Hey, done. So hope you like this little review of this place and the views of it, and I will see you on the next one.